Are you also planning to move to the UK? This is the video you need to make an informed decision as per the current scenario. Hi, my name is Nirupma. I'm a physiotherapist currently practicing in the UK and I came here in 2023 on student visa. Since then, there have been so many changes. First was the PSW, and you won't be able to allow to come on the student visa with your dependent until unless you are coming on a research program. After that, they have made a new more changes and decreased down the time of PSW from 2 years to 18 months and made a high salary threshold to actually stay here and work here. Because of all these things, they have made more changes on the skilled worker visa route as well, and the salary threshold has increased, which lead to the huge dip into the cost generation from so many employers. So overall, there are so many employers and the company, including NHS, which are restricting themselves to hire any international applicant and to give them cost letter or skilled worker visa route, which we usually need to stay here and to be eligible for ILR or permanent settlement route. Now we will talk about more physiotherapy stuff. For the physiotherapist, initially when they made the changes around the maximum salary threshold, thank God we were not into that list and we were still eligible to apply under even with the low paying scale, which is a band 5 salary, which is around 29,000 to 30,000 per year basis. So we were safe from that point of view. But now NHS was on a recruitment freeze few months back, and even now when you will go on track job application, you will be able to see the number of job application which are available for a physiotherapy applicant, and you will know the exact scenario how they are recruiting at the moment. There will be people who will be saying that no, you still can. Yes, you can, because there are jobs and you can be one of them who will get selected and who will get that job. But if I compare to the number of people to the number of job, the number of jobs are so less that there is very low chance you to be get selected on the work visa route. Now comes on the student visa. Even if you come on the student visa, you have came here for any master's degree. Master's degree is here only for 1 year, which is okay, which is not bad, but they don't provide any clinical placement or any shadowing or any clinical exposure which can help you to build a base in the UK first of all. So if the main aim is to come here and study and then go back to your country, that's well and good. But if you come from a middle class family where the money is the real issue and you really want to pay back those loans as well, which you will take before coming here, you need a job after or during your master's degree here while studying, so that you can start earning and saving money and to actually enjoy the abroad life. Because otherwise it is not a fun to do all the hustle which you are doing in your country and even staying away from your family. It means hustle is not only physical effort but mentally as well. You are all alone in this journey. Conclusion of the whole thing is that due to the anti-immigration policies and the current government, they are making so many changes around ILR from 5 years to 10 years and recruitment freeze and not getting enough of sponsorship for the international recruitment. The number of job vacancies which are actually available for an international applicant is very low, and you need to figure out your visa route to stay here even if you come on any visa. There is a middle ground as well where you might be able to get the job, you might be able to get selected and everything works out very well for you. But if you are coming here, make sure that you are well informed about everything else you need in your bucket. It can be the license, which is HCPC for physiotherapists to practice here, so that you have at least everything eligibility criteria from your end and you are doing your maximum effort to get into the system as easy as possible. I hope this video will help you to decide whether you should move to the UK, whether you should look for the any different country, or whether you should stay in your country, do your own things, spend those much of money which you were about to spend here in your country and do something extraordinary out of it. Completely your choice. This was my opinion and I hope this will help. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it now and follow me on Instagram as well, where I put so many useful content on everyday basis. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.